So guys, I want to talk about Mountain House here today, and I got a quick story first. So when I was a little kid, I used to go backpacking all the time, camping, hiking, and I remember there were times where we had all kinds of varieties, all kinds of brands of freeze-dried food like this. And I remember that oftentimes whoever had the Mountain House, we were all jealous of that guy because it's always better, always tasted a lot better. And so Mountain House to me, it just symbolizes like really high quality freeze-dried food. I love other brands, and I've done videos on other brands of freeze-dried food before. But I'm out here today and with my boys, and we're having some lunch here. And so what I want to do is talk about Mountain House. They're from 1969, USA made. They're out of Oregon. And I've got a few varieties here and then a bucket. And the reason that you would have freeze-dried food like this is whether you're out camping or hiking, it is super lightweight. I mean, super lightweight. And so you can throw some of these in your bag. I keep some of these in my vehicle, so like an emergency kind of thing if I need to have some food in my vehicle. Of course, the smoke is going to follow me. Follows beauty. So I have this in my vehicle, but today I want to just try one of these with my boys and talk about it because, I mean, in here you don't have any kind of artificial flavors. There's no artificial colors or preservatives or anything like that. And because of their freeze-dry process, these things will last up to 30 years. Their only product that they have at this time of recording that it doesn't last for 30 years is the ice cream. So if you get the freeze-dried ice cream, that'll last for like 3 years. So anyway, but they're super easy. It's very convenient because you just basically open this up, you boil some water, which we're about to do here in just a moment, and you put the water in, and then you close it back up and you wait. And this says to wait 8 minutes, and you stir it, and then you serve. That's it. So, but the other reason, other than like backpacking, camping, hiking, that kind of thing, that you would have something like this is for, move my axe over here, is for one of these containers. So these containers would be more for like emergency preparedness for your family. And we have a bunch of these containers in our home. You want to have enough food for everybody in your family for about 6 months supply. So, and these are great because this has 24 servings in here, and you open this up and there's these packets that are in here, and this has all kinds of different things. There's just an assortment, meal assortment, but they have breakfast stuff, lunch stuff, dessert stuff as well. And so this is just one option, guys. You don't have to get Mountain House, of course. I just think they're maybe one of the best brands out there. But I'm going to try this one here. This is a Korean-inspired beef, so we're going to give this a whirl. This has some rice in it and some other vegetables, and of course beef is in here as well. So we're going to give this a whirl, and then we'll bring you along. All right, so it's been 8 or 9 minutes, and go ahead and open this up, and it looks good, and it smells good too. So I'm gonna go ahead and dish this up here into my bowl, and I've got some for the boys as well. You got veggies in there, obviously beef in there as well. Little carrots. So let's give this a whirl. And then I'm gonna give some to my boys. They're hungry. It's hot. That's good. Yeah, beef is tender. Got some rice, some veggies in here. It's hot though. You know, like I said, I've had other brands and other kind of freeze-dried food, but for my money, and for what this is really, really tasty. All right, I'm gonna give some to my boys. So I only had one other bowl, a big bowl that the boys are sharing. But guys, what do you think? Pretty good?
It's really good.
Really good? So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of the day with fire and hang out. But I hope it's been helpful for you. And I'll drop a link for Mountain House down below. And if you have any questions about it or other thoughts or comments, also drop that down below. But we'll see you in the next video.